Hi everyone, I'm Clement, my company's IT supervisor. Think IT management is just me fixing your laptop? It's way more than that. Oh, we've got a new team member with the ASUS registration service for Windows Autopilot. Here, I'm helping remotely with all the software needed for his first day at work, even if they come from different departments. With the defined device configuration, all new devices can self-set up upon unboxing. Unlike before, where manual effort was required at ITHQ, it saves loads of time. Warning, warning, there's a problem. An overseas colleague has clicked a phishing email. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Thanks to ExpertBook's vPro security, I can monitor and resolve the issue in real time, remotely, no matter where they are. Even if your laptop is dead, we can still troubleshoot. That's my secret for smarter working. Wait, what if you don't have an IT team? Not all businesses are big, and we know that small firms lack on-call IT support. But we still can help. With ASUS Business Manager, you can apply preset controls, stopping sensitive data being copied to a USB stick, for example, or completing file deletion for important company data, keeping your confidential company information safe and secure. Problems come in all shapes and sizes, but so do our solutions. With ideas for every work need, ASUS Business helps IT administrators manage any team remotely with ease.